Alright guys, so today I'm going to share this trick with you guys that will allow you to get access to an eSIM and get access to the data on that eSIM and use the data to browse right in your local country. So if you live in Ghana, Nigeria, the UK, South Africa, the US of A, anywhere in the world, and you are watching this tutorial, you will be able to get access to the eSIM and also get access to the data on the eSIM and use it to browse right there in your local country. So if you love content like this, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss updates like this anytime we drop them. Now, in order to get access to this eSIM, you don't need a VPN and you also don't need any form of payment method. You are going to get it absolutely for free. So without wasting much time, let's get into this quick tutorial. Okay, so on your mobile device, head over to your Play Store or your App Store and search for this app called Roamless. When you find it, download it onto your device. After downloading onto your device, now it's time to create an account. So tap on the Create Account button. On the Create Account page, choose any of the three options that works best for you. I'll continue with the Google option or the Gmail option. Choose your preferred Gmail account and continue to the next step. Now enter your name and your home country. My home country is Ghana, so I'll choose Ghana. After doing that, tap on the Save button. When you see this location permission prompt, tap on Continue. Alright, now you are on the dashboard of the app. As you can see, it's offering you eSIMs from various destinations, the United States, Greece, Italy, and what have you. But we are not interested in any of that. If you take a look over here, it says eSIM is not installed. Install and get at $1.25. We're also not interested in that. And if you take a look further down, you can see there is the data balance over there, which is showing negative gigabytes and a $0.00 balance. Very soon that will change. Now I want you to scroll down. You will see this option over here that says redeem your referral or promo code. I want you to tap on it. When you see the space provided, I want you to enter this promo code over here. I could only test one of them, but there are two promo codes, so you can try the first one or the second one. I'll leave the promo codes in the description so you can check them out. So when you enter the promo code and you tap on the Submit button, you will be redirected to this page over here. I want you to take a closer look at it. It says redeem 3 GB global 26 reward. So we are going to get 3 GB of global data to use, and it's only valid for 180 days. So if you don't spend this data within 180 days, it will expire. So if you are okay with everything right there, tap on the Install eSIM button. Now I want you to take note, if your device is not eSIM supported, you will not be able to install the eSIM on your device. So please make sure your device is eSIM supported or is eSIM compatible. Tap on the Install Now button. When you see this prompt on your screen, tap on Allow. Now I want you to keep in mind that this is a data eSIM, which means there is no actual phone number attached to it. It is just for data. Now that our eSIM is ready to activate, tap on the Continue button. Tap on OK to proceed to the next step. Our eSIM is now active on our device, so tap on Done. Over here, choose a label for your eSIM, or you can give it a custom label if you want. After doing that, tap on the Continue button. Now you can choose the default line for cellular data. Since I want to use the data on the data eSIM, I will choose that one as my default and tap on continue. And as you can see over here, the data eSIM is active and has been turned on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off my Wi-Fi connection so I can use the data from the data eSIM to browse right now for you guys to see that it works 100%. As you can see, I've opened X right now, but the data eSIM has not yet kicked in. The signal is still not yet up, so let's give it a couple of seconds. Alright, as you can see, the signal is in and now the data is working. So I use this data eSIM to actually send out this tweet right here. And you can see it went through and it's working absolutely fine. So now let's try a different platform like YouTube and see if we can use it to watch a video. As you can see, it's working just fine. I'm streaming a YouTube video right now and the data that is on is the data from the data eSIM. So you can use this data till it gets finished, and if you want more, you can redeem another promo code. Remember, I gave you guys 2 codes. You can redeem another one. If you've exhausted both codes, you can just create another account and come and redeem the code again and keep enjoying it until probably it gets patched or something. Don't forget to share this video with someone who wants to get access to a data eSIM with some free data. And if you follow this tutorial and it worked for you, please go and like my tweet and also let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace.